welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this look over here. I'm sure you've seen a lot like them. It is inspired by the KKW and Mario palette launch, and we saw a whole bunch of really beautiful looks recreating it, and I thought I would bring in my spin. And I actually did not use the KKW and Mario palette. I went ahead and went for the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette instead. It's permanently part of their collection, and if I'm not mistaken, you can obviously get it on Morphe and also on Ulta, but don't quote me on that. Anyways, let's get right into it. I do hope you enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Click on the little subscribe button if you haven't already, and when you do, don't forget to click that little notification bell so you're notified when I have new videos. Honestly guys, I wish I didn't have to tell you this, but it is what it is, and looks like YouTube is here playing again games, saying that you're testing out this new thing that's not putting videos in chronological order because the algorithm is being, you know, tested out or whatever. But we all know that it's probably gonna end up a whole, forgive my language, fucking mess, where my video is probably gonna end up shuffling in the bottom. Even though you're subscribed to it, it's not gonna show up because algorithm. You know what? Thank you, YouTube. But I'm still here because I love what I'm doing, and yeah, so just letting you know it's really not easy, but it's totally worth it because you guys. As simple as that. So anyway, let's get right into the video.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low-key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading, why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me, where you at? In between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at now? I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Where you at? Nah. Where you at now? Where you at now? You at? When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, just right I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby, I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby, just right I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me.
Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light from another universe where the stardust and kryptonite. Don't be afraid, you're alright, alright. You're in a haze just for the night, for the night. Just for the night, for the night. Just for the night, for the night. Take me away to Orion, Orion, where all the stars are shining bright like diamonds, like diamonds. Take me away to oblivion, oblivion. Horizon, horizon. Watching you closely now. You're traveling at the speed of light to another